Are these the Kwan brothers? Hey, what's up guys? Josh here. So before we start with the video, big delivery came in. I wonder what this is. This is probably the silver flag, which I've been waiting for. Thank you guys so much, and let's unbox this together. So I wanna let us be the first ones to see it. I want it to be just me. Oh, there we go. All right, you guys ready? Oh, it's still black. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's read this first. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part. This was inspected by Rick. So Rick, thank you so much. I appreciate this. There's a message. Do you remember your first subscriber? Honestly, I don't. My 100th, I don't. My 1,000, I don't. Chances are you do. Oh, well, I don't. We know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber fans. Wow, that's so cool. By Susan, CEO of YouTube. Okay, are you guys ready? What? Presented to Joshua Decena, since my channel is self-titled. Passing 100. Damn, I never thought that I would go past 100,000. That's crazy. I honestly do not know where to put this. This is really cool. What the heck? Probably I want to hang it, but I don't think there's any space in my wall, so I don't know. We'll see. I'll find a space in my room. Anyways, this is so cool. Like, this is amazing that I got this. Now we can start with the video. See you. Alright, so I posted a reaction video previously on Lisa's Lover and Intentions, and I got comments saying, wait till he sees I Like It Faded and Attention, and I'm like, there's more? It gets intense? Like this one? Okay, let's just cut to the chase. Did you just say warning? Warning? Yeah, okay, thanks for the warning. Oh my gosh.
What you expect? Nothing good. Come and get it. Lisa.
I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Hey, oh my god, I love her fit. I'm getting goosebumps. Ah, she's so cute. The fact that I feel this way here, imagine if in concert. Oh my gosh, oh my god, look at the freaking light sticks. It's an ocean. Okay. Oh. Oh, her gaze. Oh, she's taking. Oh my. Faded. Are these the Kwan brothers? What the heck? This is even closer than last time. You're joking. Wait. Pause. Oh, this is more intimate. Oh my gosh! Oh my god, she does floor work here? Oh lord! How? What the fuck? Dude, she really brought out her inner sexy. This is like crazy. Oh my god! Dude, their chemistry is so natural and so intense though. Oh my god, if she touches my shoulder like that, I'd shiver all the way down. Oh my god! The way he brushed his hand off. Oh sheesh. Oh, this is Charlie Puth. Oh. Okay, model runway. Oh my god. Someone else, and you just want attention. Oh. There's just something about her body proportion that makes her look so... like she looks like a model. Oh my god, it's so refreshing to see her like enjoy the stage, rock the stage. Look at her face. Like you can see that she's owning the moment. Oh, she's so cute when she's like that. And her smile, What's on her leg? Is that a band-aid or confetti? Whoa. What the actual... That's... Wow. I can't get over this part. Not gonna lie. Oh my god. Jeez Louise. Okay, enough of that. So that is my reaction to I Like It, Faded, and Attention. Not gonna lie, kinda jealous. But it's okay, you know? Of course we shouldn't be jealous. No, but guys, when I say I'm jealous, of course it's a joke. I'm joking. It's just for entertainment purposes only. I always respect her and her performers, her dancers, because they're always doing a great job. And we should always respect them. That's it. Ah, my heart. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, you know? I hope I know you enjoyed. You're like, oh, Josh is so funny, he's laughing. Okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Please suggest any other Lisa performances or anyone, and I will read all of your comments. I always take the time to read every single one. Thank you so much again for 100k, and thank you for watching this video. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.